A lot of people think you need thousands of dollars to have a full electronics workbench. This is my complete workbench that cost me around $90, but realistically you could build one that's a lot better than mine for around $180. And this is everything I use with all the links in the descriptions. No affiliate links, just normal links. This is the iFix Essentials Toolkit. It's one of the best quality toolkits you can get. It comes with a magnetic screwdriver and magnetic bits, tweezers, spudgers, suction cup, metal pry tool, and the plastic pry tool. However, I do think it is a little overpriced, but it also comes with a lifetime warranty. It costs around $25 right now. Normally it's $30. For my soldering iron, I have the Tohoto DS90 soldering station. It currently costs $50, but I got mine in a deal for $35. I like this station because of the screen and the adjustable knob, and also the things that it comes with. It comes with a desoldering pump, lead-free solder, a wet sponge, the brass coil to clean your soldering iron tip, and 5 different tips for your iron. With a magnifier built in. I don't have helping hands. I want to get one and upgrade in the future. This is my blue silicone repair mat. It costs around $10. All it does really is keep your screws organized and protects your desk. But it really helps with organization when you're doing something like soldering, or even if you're doing something like a phone repair. I also have some T7000. Not too necessary. It depends on what you're planning to do. Now obviously this setup is still growing, and I'm missing some things like a fume extractor. This one costs $36 with free shipping. I can't actually review it because I don't have it. If you subscribe, I might get it. Next is the benchtop power supply. This one costs $38. It produces 30 volts and 10 amps, which is more than enough for most things you want to do. But it fully depends on if you're going to work with high voltage or high current things. These two items will cost you $18. It's an Arduino breadboard kit with like all the parts for it and the actual Arduino. I recommend it for learning electronics. It's pretty much essential and it's pretty cheap compared to the other things. This brings your total to somewhere around $183. I'm not sure exactly. Don't forget all the links in the description are below. Let me know what your workbench looks like in the comments. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.